Rain went pitter-patter all night long. By morning there was something wrong. Right in the yard, big and wide, a muddy puddle the size of a slide. Max said, wow, this looks like fun. Lily said, should we jump or run? Boots on, coats tight, ready to see the muddy puddle challenge. Shout it with glee! Jump, splash, squish, squish, splash. Muddy puddle dash, dash, dash. Play it safe and think it through. Have fun and clean up too. Jump, splash, laugh out loud. Muddy fun makes kids so proud. What do we wear when puddles are near? First came Max with a careful hop. He checked the ground before the plop. Lily laughed and followed slow. Not too deep, just toe, toe, toe. They slipped a little, then stood up tall. Being careful helps us all. Jump, splash, squish, squish, splash. Muddy puddle dash, dash, dash. Boots stay on and feet stay strong. Safe and smart all along. What do we wear when puddles are near? What boots and coats? No fear! What do we do when play is through? Wash our hands and clean up too! Muddy knees and muddy shoes, giggles, wiggles, muddy blues. But when the fun was finally done, it was time for cleanup time, everyone! Splash, splash hands, scrub, scrub toes, clean clothes on, off we go! Jump, splash, fun all day, play it smart the safe way, laugh